Another issue that came out with Ruth Bollo, I'll bring you in on this, just pass the microphone to Ruth right there and talk about the Hustler Fund. As a young person, has this been beneficial? Did it achieve its intended purpose?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Trevor. The Hustler Fund is like one of those packets of crisps where you buy thinking it's full only to open and it's half a packet. Because when you give me this fund and I don't have food, am I going to think of starting my business or am I going to run towards putting a meal on my table? So these things intertwine. We rushed to launching the Hustler Fund, but did we consider the favorable business conditions? And I'll give you an example. If I am in the lake shore, and my business is fish, and I have gone and I have gotten that 500 shillings that they are giving me, I am not able to access my market. I am not able to get to the processing facility that is there. Then what am I doing? It means I have accessed, I have been able to get the commodities, but I can't take them anywhere. So they rushed to launch these funds, just like all other projects that they're launching. But when it comes to the implementation aspect of it, we have a huge gap. Lastly, we saw right here in the Kibra Forum, which is in Nairobi, there is a gentleman who did not even know that the Hustler Fund is accessible on the phone. They did not even know what they need to be able to actually access that fund. What does that tell you? That tells you that we have gone to, the Kenya Kwanza government has rushed to publicize and to do PR jobs of what they have been able to achieve according to them, but they are not actually able to sensitize people and tell them, how do you access it? One, how is it going to be beneficial to you? Okay. And also the incentives that are going to be able to help you maximize on this so-called Hustler Fund that they're giving to Kenyans.
Na kabla tuweza kumpeleka kwa kina Samuel Karanja na kina Victor ambao ndio wafanyabiashara na wafaidika na kupeleka kwa